is for apple. A is for asparagus. B is for broccoli. B is for banana. C is for carrot. C is for coconut. C is for cherry. D is for daikon. D is for dill. E is for eggplant. E is for egg fruit. F is for fava bean. F is for fennel. F is for fig. G is for grapes. G is for garlic. H is for huckleberry. H is for honeydew. I is for llama. I is for ice cream bean.
Hi, everyone. I am the letter J. And I am a jackfruit. Jiggle with us in the jungle.
J is for jicama. J is for jackfruit. K is for kiwi. K is for Calais. L is for lychee. L is for lemon. M is for mango. M is for mushroom. N is for Napa cabbage. N is for nectarine. N is for nut. O is for orange. O is for onion. P is for pineapple. P is for potato. P is for peas. Q is for quince. is for quinoa. R is for raspberry. R is for radish. S is for strawberry. S is for squash. S is for spinach. T is for tangerine. T is for tomato. U is for umbu. U is for Urfa pepper. V is for Victoria plum. V is for vanilla bean. W is for watermelon. W is for water chestnut. X is for xylocarp. Y is for yam. Y is for yellow pepper. Y is for yuzu. Z is for zucchini.